Welcome! Today we're making gourmet pumpkin cream cheese muffins, a warm, comforting treat with the perfect mix of pumpkin spice and creamy filling. These muffins are ideal for fall mornings, cozy afternoons, or anytime you want a sweet homemade delight. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup pumpkin puree, fresh or canned, 1 cup sugar or brown sugar for a deeper flavor, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup cream cheese softened, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon pumpkin spice blend, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and optional add-ins like chopped nuts or chocolate chips. Make sure everything is measured and ready before you start mixing. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. In a large bowl, combine the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, pumpkin puree, vegetable oil, and eggs, until smooth. Now gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Don't overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will give you fluffy muffins. Next, let's make the cream cheese filling. In a small bowl, beat together 1/2 cup softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and creamy. This luscious filling is the secret to our gourmet touch. Line your muffin tin with paper cups. Fill each cup halfway with pumpkin batter. Using a spoon, create a small well in the center of each. Add a generous dollop of the cream cheese mixture. Then, cover with a little more pumpkin batter until the cups are about 2/3 full. For a finishing touch, sprinkle a bit of cinnamon sugar over the tops. Bake your muffins in the preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're ready when a toothpick comes out clean, or with just a few crumbs. Let the muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This keeps the bottoms from turning soggy. Now for the best part, presentation. You can enjoy them as they are, or drizzle with a simple cinnamon glaze, dust with powdered sugar, or add toasted nuts on top for extra texture. These gourmet pumpkin cream cheese muffins are perfect, served warm with coffee, tea, or even as a sweet gift for friends and neighbors. For storage, keep them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze them to enjoy later. And there you have it, warm, spiced, and creamy pumpkin muffins that bring a little gourmet touch to your home baking. Be sure to check out this video for more.